It's dark, almost purple. For centuries, it was off-limits, eaten only by emperors, forbidden to everyone else. But today, black rice is stepping out of ancient history and into modern science. And the results are impressive. Behind that rich, inky color lies one of the most nutrient-dense grains ever studied. And research suggests it may support blood sugar balance, heart health, and brain function, while also providing anti-inflammatory and antioxidant protection. Think about it. A single grain quietly influencing multiple systems in your body. And unlike flashy superfoods that cost a fortune, this one has been around for thousands of years. Black rice dates back more than 2,000 years to ancient China, where it was called the forbidden rice, not because it was toxic, but because it was rare and highly valued. Farmers who tried to keep it for themselves faced serious penalties. Today, modern studies show that this ancient grain isn't just a relic of history, it's nutritionally remarkable. It contains anthocyanins, fiber, polyphenols, lutein, zeaxanthin, and gamma-oryzanol, compounds linked to heart, eye, and metabolic health. It's fascinating to realize that something once reserved for royalty is now quietly enhancing our health in ways we're only beginning to fully understand. Understanding why this grain was so valued centuries ago is fascinating, but what happens inside your body when you actually eat it is even more remarkable. When you eat black rice, something remarkable happens at the cellular level. Its deep color comes from anthocyanins, antioxidants also found in blueberries. Research in the Journal of Functional Foods suggests these compounds may improve insulin sensitivity, support healthy blood sugar levels, reduce low-grade inflammation that can affect metabolism over time. A 12-week Thai study found that pre-diabetic adults eating black rice twice daily had fasting glucose drop by 16 milligrams per deciliter and waist circumference shrink by 2 centimeters, all without changing other habits. Nothing beats nature. The very compound that gives this food its pigment helps protect our cells. Black rice also has a lower glycemic index, around 43, compared to white rice, around 73, making it a slow-release energy source, a subtle way to support steady energy levels throughout the day. And the benefits don't stop at your blood sugar. These same compounds quietly support your heart as well. Heart disease remains a leading global concern, but black rice contains compounds that support heart health. Anthocyanins may activate NRF2, a pathway triggering the body's natural antioxidant defenses. Gamma-oryzanol may limit cholesterol absorption, helping maintain healthy LDL levels. Polyphenols calm inflammation in arteries and improve blood flow. A 2021 study, Lee et al. 2021 Food and Function, found that regular consumption was associated with lower C-reactive protein, a marker of inflammation linked to heart disease. It's absolutely incredible how this grain impacts our heart. I make sure that I consume heart-healthy foods because, as I always say, you can't put a price on your heart. While your heart gets some protection, your gut and brain are quietly getting their own dose of care from this little grain. Black rice feeds your microbiome. Resistant starch and fiber nourish beneficial bacteria, producing butyrate, which strengthens the gut lining and may reduce risks of leaky gut. Anthocyanins cross the blood-brain barrier, helping protect neurons and supporting memory. Lutein and zeaxanthin support eye health, filtering harmful blue light and reducing risk of age-related macular degeneration. Wow, black rice is truly incredible. One little grain quietly feeding our gut microbes, supporting our brain, and even protecting our eyes. I don't know about you, but I choose natural foods over fast foods every time. Black rice's fiber also supports satiety, which can help moderate overall calorie intake, making it a small but clever tool for weight management. All these benefits are fantastic, but how do you actually bring this ancient grain into your daily meals? Quick-cooked black rice is ready in about 25 minutes. Rinse 1 cup, add 2 cups of water and a pinch of salt. Simmer until grains swell and turn violet. Tip: chilling overnight increases resistant starch, helping support stable glucose levels after meals. Flavor-wise, it's nutty and earthy, versatile for salads, stir-fries, desserts, and even baked goods. Honestly, it's one of those foods that makes healthy eating feel natural, satisfying, and effortless. No gimmicks required. Before you cook up a batch, it's worth noting a few simple safety tips and ideal serving sizes. Arsenic concerns are valid, but black rice absorbs less than white rice. Rinse thoroughly and cook in extra water, 6 to 1, to reduce exposure by up to 60%. Recommended portion, half a cup cooked per serving. Rotate with other grains like quinoa, millet, or barley for variety. And speaking of safety, there are a few myths about black rice that are worth clearing up. Some myths need clearing. Black rice is not genetically modified. It's an heirloom grain cultivated for 2,500 years. It's not too carby. Its fiber helps balance carbohydrate absorption. Antioxidant powerhouse. Black rice is rich in anthocyanins and polyphenols. ORAC values vary depending on variety and study method, but it is significantly higher than most common white or brown rice, making it a true nutrient-dense grain. Numbers fluctuate with studies, but the take-home message is clear. Black rice delivers serious antioxidant benefits without needing gimmicks. With myths debunked and benefits in mind, here's why this grain deserves a spot on your plate today. Once reserved for emperors, black rice is now available to everyone. Its benefits range from supporting blood sugar and heart health to feeding gut microbes and aiding cognition. Next time you shop, consider adding this ancient nutrient-rich grain to your plate. Honestly, it's one of those foods that makes healthy eating feel natural, satisfying, and effortless. No gimmicks required. If you've tried black rice, share your favorite way to cook it in the comments. You might inspire someone else to try it too. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss future videos exploring incredible natural foods.